everyone, welcome back to Textbook USA, where we turn admission stress into admission success. I am Manvi, your hype girl.
And I am Alicia, your honest review bestie. So we are here to keep it real and de-stress your sad journey.
Well, today we are diving into a super important topic which answers the question, what SAT score do you need to get into Harvard? And heads up, the answer is more than just a number.
So let's jump right into the topic and become Harvard ready. So according to Harvard's official website, their middle 50% SAT range is 1350 to 1590. That means most admitted students scored somewhere in there.
This suggests if you want to play it safe and boost your chances, aim for a 1550 or higher score.
So basically, you want to be scoring in the 99th percentile.
Exactly. Whereas a 1590 doesn't guarantee admission, getting a 1350 doesn't mean you are out. It's about how the score fits into your whole application.
Yes, but it's one piece of the puzzle. Harvard is test optional right now, but submitting a strong SAT score can give you a boost, especially if you're from a school without a super rigorous academic reputation.
Exactly. So, I think it's not required, but if you can do well, it helps your application stand out.
Right. It's especially useful for international students or students from schools that don't offer a lot of IP or AB courses. The SAT is a standardized way to show that you are college ready.
Okay, so let's say you are at 1400 right now. Should you even bother applying to Harvard?
If you are applying without a hook, like being a recruited athlete or legacy, then you need more than just great essays to balance that out. Harvard is insanely competitive. 1400 is good, but for Harvard, you will want to push higher.
So, translation. Try to get to 1500 plus to stay in the game.
Exactly. But even a 1600 won't save you if the rest of your application is weak.
So now, let's talk about how to get to that 1500 plus SAT score. First, consistency beats cramming. Just 1 to 2 hours a day for a few months is way better than weekend marathons.
Also, use Blue Book for digital SAT practice.
Apart from this, mix in Textbook USA. It's your best friend for free SAT practice test and study notes and so much more.
Focus on your weak areas, not just taking full SAT tests.
Now, analyze your mistakes religiously. This will help your application stand out.
And remember, SAT is learnable. It's not just about being a genius, it's about strategy.
Real quick breakdown for a 1500 plus SAT score. For reading and writing section, you need near perfection. Miss maybe 1 to 2 questions. Focus on comprehension, tone and evidence.
Maths, miss no more than 1. Brush up on your algebra, data problems and those sneaky geometry questions.
Also, timing is key. If you are running out of time, work on pacing drills. That is important.
And don't underestimate those grammar rules. Those little comma questions, they count.
Okay, myth busting time. Myth 1. You need a perfect score. The fact is, no. A 1500 is just as strong with a great application.
Myth 2. Harvard doesn't care about SAT anymore. They are test optional, not test irrelevant.
Myth 3. You can game the SAT by memorizing tricks. The fact is, tricks help, but real improvement comes from understanding the way behind your mistakes.
If you're aiming for Harvard, yes, the SAT score matters. Aim high, but don't stress. You are not perfect. Combine your score with strong writing, leadership, and passion.
And remember, Harvard isn't the only top tier school. A 1550 open doors at Yale, Stanford, Columbia, MIT, Duke, and beyond.
You got this. Whether it's a 1500 or 1590, your score is just a tool, not your entire story.
Like this video if it helped. Drop your SAT goal in the comments. We are reading each of them.
And let us know if you want a video on SAT essay tips, digital SAT updates, or Harvard essays. Don't forget to click on that notification bell.
We are rooting for you and your inner 1550. Subscribe for more real talk on acing the SAT and getting into your dream college. Thanks for watching and good luck with your college journey.